This method worked by accident and continues to keep working, even today. If you thought content websites were dead, you're dead wrong. This straight-to-the-point course shows you how to build content websites that will rank with little to no promotion. Google needs these kinds of websites. All you have to do is build them. Google sends you traffic for free. Easy setup. I hate courses that take forever to get to the point, so that's what I do. I lay out the entire plan at the beginning. It's short and sweet. I then get into how to do it. Little to no promotion. I've set up a lot of these websites and they just work. Google needs this content and hardly anyone is providing it. Google sees your website and just starts ranking it with very little promotion. Monetize the traffic. When I first built these sites, as an experiment, I had lots of traffic and my problem was monetizing the sites. Believe it or not, that's usually not the issue, right? I've got you covered here, too. If you're new to making money online or even have some experience, this course makes it easy. Hi there. My name is Tony and that is a short video I shot in the garage where I have my Honda CRZs. I just picked up a second one because I love them so much and they don't make them anymore. I've been doing internet marketing since around 2009. Back then, making niche websites and ranking them was super easy. Today, not so much, or are they still easy to rank? In my experimenting, I've developed a method for creating content websites that Google wants and needs. Yes, Google needs these kinds of websites and they will send you traffic. These sites take a little bit of work, I'm not going to lie, but they're easy to make, even the content is fun to produce. Once you've put up the content, Google sends you traffic because they're looking for this kind of content. Traffic isn't a problem. With most courses online, you need traffic. They focus on the traffic part, lots and lots of traffic to an offer or something like that. They usually just let you share whatever you're doing on social media and they call it built-in traffic. Well, this isn't that. Traffic is not a problem. There's absolutely no need to share what you're doing on social media. You can and it'll help, but we're absolutely not just depending on social media with this course. It's not one of those courses. It's content Google wants and I show you how to set it up the right way, then monetize it to where you will see steady traffic and revenue. Who couldn't use an extra few $100s a month to go out for a nice night on the town or buy a fun car they don't make anymore? This isn't a course for an expert marketer with a staff of 20. I love you guys, but sorry. This is for the average person who needs a proven method to work on instead of trying system after system. This is exactly how I got into internet marketing and I think it's a great place to start. We're building WordPress websites a certain way and monetizing them a certain way. It's content Google is desperately looking for that ranks high. People click on your link and get what they want. Hardly anyone is creating these kinds of websites, so it's an open playing field. And will you make $100 a day? Probably not right away, but once you build up a couple of these sites, you then don't have to work on them very much at all and they can bring in a few $100s per month automatically. So how about $300 per month with zero work per day? That's where you could end up. If you want more money, build more sites or build your sites even bigger. That's easy. How much you want to earn is completely up to you. When you get a website that pays you monthly, you've just created an online asset. It's like an extra paycheck. What a concept. If you're tired of buying expensive courses and systems time and time again, I encourage you to buy the Easy Content Websites course. It's very reasonably priced, you get bonuses that will help you and there are no upgrades or one-time offers. I keep it simple because it is simple. You get my easy, 18-page guide with resources nice and short. Access to 6 my video lessons. Some really great bonuses. No, I didn't create some huge book with tons of fluff to drive up the page count. Why should you need 3 nights out of your busy life to figure out what this is about and if it's worth doing that would be wasting your time and would be very rude of me. I get right to the point, right away, and then I explain how I did it and what you should do. That's it. Yes, we're obviously creating websites and using WordPress, but I don't go through all those steps since mostly everyone knows how to do that. I do include a guide as a resource in case you don't know how. I then give my suggestions on which theme works best and which plugins you need, along with why you need them and how they help you. If you have other WordPress websites that aren't doing well, the tips and advice I give here can even help revive those sites you have. The main part of the guide is about how to create the content, that thing Google really wants. And there are no upsells or one-time offers, nope. Simple. Bonus number 1, find your niche course. I really want to make sure you choose the right niche, so if you're having trouble, I have you covered. It's a step-by-step guide to finding your niche so you can stand out and create success faster. Worth $27. Bonus number 2, Bonus Cash Explosion. This is the book I self-published right after I figured out the perfect way to monetize these kinds of websites. It'll help you make some good revenue with your easy content website. Worth $7. Bonus number 3, the Amazon Affiliates Guide to Boosting Profits. 1 great way to earn good and consistent revenue is by being an Amazon affiliate, and will be using Amazon with my course. I've included this book as a guide to help you boost your Amazon affiliate income. Worth $7. Bonus number 4, good, free backlinks checklist. Your new website on a new domain will need some good backlinks a little while after you get it launched, so here's a list of where to go get good backlinks for your website. Worth $7. It's all the tools you need. Click link in description to access.